I told you, Wilson. I just wanted to come in. What have you been up to? Oh my. Oh my God, did I accidentally hit him on his desk? Is that blood? Oh God, oh my God! Wilson? Oh my God, are you dead? Wilson! Wilson, wake up! Oh my God, what have I done? What an idiot. Wilson? Sir? Hello? He's alive. Oh my God, I didn't think I hit you that hard. Oh my God. But why am I laughing? He's bleeding. Wilson? We can work this out. I can tell you that much. Let me go clean you up, okay? I'll clean you up first, okay? I'll be right back. Let me go get some toilet paper.